Hello, my name is Alan, and this is my lab 3 for systems programming. So, in this lab, I worked with structs, methods, unit testing, table-driven tests, and web applications in Go. So, structs here are useful because they allow us to group related data together into custom types. My web application includes routes for home, health, about time, and a custom random route. So for the project structure here, I have my parent directory, and then I have the shapes module and the web API here. So those are the two main folders. Each folder has its own Go mod file, so they are separate Go modules. So here in the shapes.go, I defined three structs: rectangle, circle, and triangle. Each struct contains fields for its dimensions. Radius here for the circle right here. And then the rectangle has width and height. So the the area and parameter methods here use value receivers because they do not modify the struct. But the scale methods use pointer receivers because they change the original values. Using pointer receivers allows like the method to update the actual object instead of a copy. So we have the scale. So now we're gonna run the shapes here. So we're gonna go to shapes, and then we're gonna go run. So here we get before scaling and after scaling. And then we could also test the shapes, the um the test for the shape. We should see yep, all the tests passing, test rectangle, area, all of the tests. So now we go to the so in this file I created HTTP handlers. The home route returns a welcome message. The health route um, checks the server status. The about returns my name, and the time route returns the current server time. I also added a random route as my custom endpoint here. So we're gonna test the web main test.go. Then let me go to my okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go to here and cd web API. So we're in the web API here. So go test dash both dash cmv dash API. So these tests should return true. Yeah, all of the tests came back as a pass, meaning that we have our test correct. So now for the server demonstration here, we're gonna run the cmd API. So we're running the server here, and what we're gonna do is open a new one, right? And then curl http dash equal host. Oh, dash dash. Okay. Grow, localhost, that 4000 dash health to see server is running. And then we're gonna do the out. And that returns my name. We could also check for the time. Oh no, check for the time. Yeah. So I'm okay. Time. And there we go. It returns the time of the server. Also, we could do the random one that we created. Oh no, computer's lagging. Okay, then our random number, and yeah. So for my GitHub repository, here we have the different modules, and yeah, that should be it. Uh, you can see the files are committed on the Lab 3 development branch right here. And yeah, this lab helped me understand structs, testing pointer receivers, and building web APIs in Go. Thank you.